Shalom everyone! Again, this is Ate Ai. For today's vlog, pag-aralan naman natin ang infinitive to bring down. In Hebrew, lihorid. Guys, lihorid is also can be to take off, to lower, and to download. Okay guys, bau natkel. Present tense, bring down, for masculine singular, morid. Ani, morid. Ata, morid. Hu, morid. Present tense, bring down, for feminine singular, morida. Ani, morida. At, morida. Hi, morida. Present tense, bring down, for masculine plural or mixed gender, moridim. Anachnu, moridim. Atem, moridim. Hem, moridim. Present tense, bring down, for feminine plural, moridot. Anachnu, moridot. Aten, moridot. Hen, moridot. For past tense, brought down. Horaditi. Horadita. Horadet. Horid. Hurida. Horadnu. Horaditem. Horaditen. Horidu. Horidu. Guys, for future tense, will bring down. Ani, orid. Ata, torid. At, toridi. Hu, yorid. Hi, torid. Anachnu, norid. Atem, toridu. Aten, toredna. Hem, yoridu. Hen, toredna. Okay guys, this is the imperative or the command. Imperative, bring down, for masculine singular, hored. Imperative, bring down, for feminine singular, horidi. Imperative, bring down, for masculine plural, horidu. Imperative, bring down, for feminine plural, horedna. Okay guys, again, this is the end for today's vlog. Enjoy to learn Hebrew, and please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell to be updated for more videos. Guys, maraming salamat sa patuloy na panonood at pagsubaybay sa aking mga vlog. See you next time. God bless you all. Lihitraot.